Boom! Good morning, guys. We're in Vegas. Now, if you guys watched my Snapchat and IG, you saw that I was here, but then we didn't vlog the first day. Our view looks pretty cool. The window's mighty dirty, but we got a strip view, which is pretty cool, right? But we got a second window too, which is over here. Here, if you guys watched that story, I was like, car meet sick right there. And if you see in the distance right there, someone's been doing donuts. Mad freaking donuts. But I wanted to share the day with you guys because we are going racing. We're either drifting or exotic racing on a track. Proper good morning from the family. Say good morning, Aaliyah. Oh, you're so cute. You're such a, oh, cute. Should learn a couple of new hand things. This is cute to her. Yes. Iris got $16 to play. If she wins, I quit everything. Go. And Iris comes back with 55 cents.
I got it up to 30.
Thank you. Look, babe. Bam! Guys, we are in Vegas still. We're trying to look for a racetrack so X and I can race. We're having a friendly competition here. The idea is to see if we can race the same cars and see who can get the best lap times. X does have a lot of experience driving. You guys have seen me drive, so we should put some decent lap times down. As of right now, we're at Exotic Racing. I don't know if we're gonna go here, but if we do, I'll let you guys know. Go, here we go. Ooh, I think this is the spot. A couple previews of the cars around here. Hey, this one, you know, I never uploaded this video, but I actually drove this race car, hooked up. It was crazy. Look at this interior. Okay, X wants to play battle on this. 5 laps, we're gonna do this, both of us. I think I'm gonna win. I'm just saying, I think I'm gonna win. He's gonna lose, just letting you know, ma'am. He's gonna lose. Ooh, okay, let's go. Let's go. How's it going, dude? How's it going? Nice to meet you. Good. Oh, look at this beast. V12, man. Damn. He's not ready. He's not ready. X, gotta tell you something. You're gonna lose. He's moving pretty quick. It's making me kind of nervous here. Here he comes again. Ooh. He is moving. Okay, X. Okay. All right, let's do this.
Scoot away forward, he's Asian. This car is amazing. Damn, he's actually moving. God damn it. The F12 has a there's a lot of power up top. When you get into the higher RPMs, it has a lot of freaking power. That was what we call the Ricer flyby.
Wow, that thing is fast. I had problems like keeping it like onto the ground.
The power up top was crazy.
Yeah, it was.
It was.
Wow. Okay, so
Really light
lap
down.
times. What do you guys think? In comments below, let us know. 57? 56? 101 point something?
Yeah.
Winner chicken dinner. All right, X. I'm
Stick
sorry,
shift.
bro.
Let's go.
I'm sorry. Oh, you think you're a better stick driver? Have you seen Fast and Furious with like 16 gears? Invented by us Asians.
You're driving a V16.
Nah. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Wait, why did you lose, X? Why'd you lose?
Because I didn't have my spark
Oh, you didn't have your shoes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
These, the Yeezys.
You know, you needed the hat too.
You know what? I think it's the hat.
Hat. You didn't write the
My
T-shirt.
gloves, dude. They didn't
The gloves. See, the gloves would have. Yeah.
They didn't have my women's size.
The gloves would have shaved off about 4 seconds, which that's what you were behind me on. Oh. There we go, winner.
Yeah,
X, sorry, buddy. Sorry. I almost killed the instructor. I almost took out a sign. Luckily, with styrofoam, it was crazy. It was fun.
F12.
Yeah, an F12. Dude, it's fast. It's like.
It's up top fast.
Yeah, great daily. It's rear-wheel drive only, right?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Yeah, no wonder I was just like, woo. We're trying to do a burnout, but is this one wheel peel?
I don't know.
He turned off this traction. I just hit my head. Oh.
How many fingers? How many fingers?
How many fingers? One. Right here, X, look, one. You guys see the drift car? Oh yeah, you guys see the Miata behind it? At Vegas, Speed Vegas, here. X wants to drive like a manual car, so let's see. He still thinks he's gonna win. And so far the Instagram poll is like 80% me win, and I did win that last one. Okay, so we came in, but I think there's a better car selection at Dream, so we're gonna head over there again. Bam! We are here, back at Dream. We didn't like Speed Vegas because they didn't have the car selection that we wanted to. So we're gonna go back here. Who's gonna win, guys? X over here trying to study the line. Okay. Okay. GT3 RS. X is gonna go first. Beautiful car, man. Holy crap. That's one hell of an experience. Hey, don't matter what car you're in, X, I'm still gonna win. I'm just letting you know, bro.
Just remember, I'm winning in life.
Damn it. Okay, here he goes. Here I'm on the gas. Ooh. Hard brake, look at that. This corner is crazy fun. That's where I almost hit the sign. Oh, shit. Moving.
Left, steady, good. A little bit of gas here. Gas, now go. No gas, tight right. Now 20% gas here. 30, 40, good job. Nice and steady on the right. 50, 60, 70, full power. Punch it all the way, all the way. Brake hard, harder brake, harder. Off the brake, tight right. Good, tighter, tighter, tighter. Gas here. Brake, off brakes, turn, steady left. Nice. Gas, now go. Good. No gas, tight to the right. Roll it, full power. Punch it. Back to the right side. Off brakes, turn, coast, little gas, full power, go, punch it. Good, tight right, good, full gas, brake hard, harder brake, off the brake and turn, now 20% gas here, 30, tighter right, 40, 50, 60, full power, punch it all the way out. Up shift, good, keep going. Up shift, good, brake hard, down shift, off the brake, good, turn left, keep her steady, a little bit of gas here.
Oh man. So how'd you do? You think you did well? Okay?
Just go.
Just go. Oh.
All right, Michael, watch out for the brake signs.
Okay. Okay.
God, that car is a must-have. Like, I need to get one as soon as possible. Wow.
Okay, winner, chicken dinner. Who won?
Alright, so it was you.
Hey.
55.3, but you improved by a whole 3-4 seconds. You got to 57.6.
Ooh.
I wasn't comfortable.
Told you. Thank you, dude. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. With drifting action X, still won. Dude, that was awesome. I enjoyed that a lot.
It's like my favorite car.
Yeah, that was. I want one of these just for the driver experience. I'm like torn between this and a freaking Ferrari now.
No, it's this.
This one?
I don't want a Ferrari. I don't want a Lamborghini. I want this.
He wants that. Oh, X, it's okay, bro. It's okay. You know, sometimes you just gotta realize that us Asian people can. I'm just kidding. Bam! And we are somewhere. Tesla's behind us. We're charging, guys. I had a really great day. A lot of fun, action-packed day with X. Thank you guys. Happy birthday, Courtney. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. We're just having some fun with really good friends. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe button. And I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Check it out. We're charging right now. Hey, this is a new charge station, by the way. Kind of cool. I'm glad to see a lot of Tesla superchargers popping up. Makes traveling a little bit easier. Anyways, peace out. I think I hear my baby girl. Where are you, baby girl? Hi.